Now once the data has been appended to the orders file, there's no need for the data to reside in this file called import. So what we need to do is create a macro that basically deletes the sheet once it's been appended to the orders database. So I'd like to record another macro. From the Developers tab, click the Record Macro button, and I'd like to name this macro Delete Sheet. And OK. And I'm simply going to record right-clicking the current sheet and deleting the current sheet. And when this message comes up, just click Delete, and it's gone. And then I can stop recording. So from the Developers tab, I'll click the Stop Recording button. Now when I look at this code, first of all, there's a reference to the name of the sheet. That's not important. We could actually just delete that statement, and so it would just delete whatever sheet we happen to be sitting in. So I'll delete that line there, and I'll press F5 and just check how well it will delete this sheet, for example. So I'll press F5. The only problem is that it asks the user if they want to delete the sheet. Well, I want it to just delete the sheet without asking the user. I don't want them to have to hit the delete button. So we're going to add another statement to turn off any warnings and to behave as if we just said yes, OK, or enter and just accepted it. So the statement I'd like to add to the code is application full stop display alerts equals false. That turns off any alerts. And after this statement, I'll turn the alerts back on again. Equals true. So now when I run this particular sub-procedure, it will just delete the sheet without asking me any questions, as if I just said yes, OK, delete. So I'll press F5 and the sheet's gone. And I'll actually press the key F5 several times until I'm left with just one sheet in my import file. Because the purpose of this file is to run the code. It's to bring in the text file, to manipulate the data, then send it to the orders file and delete the data out of this file. So this is sort of like just a vessel to bring in the data, manipulate it, send it off to the orders file, and then clear it out of here.